Can you replace your desktop PC with a Raspberry Pi 5 that you can build for yourself at home? Here we are comparing two computers based on their capabilities, power, testing it from a perspective of a gamer, a corporate employee and still student to come to a conclusion. So let's get started. If you're wondering how to get started with building your own Raspberry Pi 5 computer, check out the previous video linked in the description. This Raspberry Pi 5 goes with the Broadcom BCM2712 quad-core ARM Cortex-A76 processor, clocked at over 2.4 GHz and up to 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM. It supports a dual 4K P60 HDMI display outputs and has loads of connectivity options. If you're a casual user who mainly utilizes their computer for tasks like web browsing, email and word processing, then Raspberry Pi 5 is more than up to the challenge. Its efficient ARM quad-core processor and ample RAM ensures smooth performance for everyday computing tasks. Whether you're checking your emails, writing documents or browsing the web, Pi 5 handles it all with ease. But what about the more demanding tasks like gaming, video editing, graphic designing? Well, that's where things get more interesting. The Raspberry Pi 5 can certainly handle some light gaming and basic multimedia tasks. It's not quite on par with the high-end desktop PC in terms of raw performance. However, with advancement in technology and the Raspberry Pi ecosystem, it's becoming increasingly capable. Probably in years to come, it might be even given tough competition to even gaming desktops. The software optimization and as well as the well-growing library of compatible applications and tools, the Raspberry Pi 5 is now more versatile than ever before. Whether you're editing videos, coding or even running small servers, the Pi 5 can handle it all with surprising efficiency. For a minute, let's just compare this and this. The Raspberry Pi 5's compact size and low power consumption make it environmentally friendly choice compared to the traditional desktop PCs. With its energy efficient design, the Pi 5 helps reduce the carbon footprint while still delivering impressive performance. Raspberry Pi 5 runs on a variety of operating systems including Raspbian, Ubuntu and Windows 10 IoT. Plus with vast ecosystem of community-driven software and tools, the possibilities are endless. But perhaps one of the most impressive features of the Raspberry Pi 5 is the expandability. Thanks to GPIO, that is called the General Purpose Input-Output pins, you can easily connect sensors, actuators and other electronic components to create your own custom projects. Now let's talk about the power consumption. These traditional big old PCs are notorious for their high power consumption, especially high-end gaming rigs with powerful processors and dedicated graphic cards. On the other hand, the Raspberry Pi 5, the incredibly energy efficient, consuming just a fraction of power of a typical desktop PC. This not only saves you money on electricity bill but also makes a Pi 5 more environmental friendly choice. What are your thoughts? Do you believe the Raspberry Pi 5 has what it takes to replace your typical desktop PC, or do you think there are certain tasks where the traditional desktops are still remain the supreme? We want to hear from you. Share your opinions and experience and ideas in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you really enjoyed the video today, subscribe to our channel for more content levels. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy tinkering.